We are your Indian angels and welcome to India. We are so excited to have you here. And do you know that India is a country with 29 states and 780 languages with varied cultures, varied traditions and amazing food. Annyeonghaseyo Teen Top, Bangaksumida. I'm Monica Pauline Kingsley, the admin and founder of Teen Top Fan Club here in India. Thank you for coming to India and making our day. This day is the most unforgettable day of our whole lives. 안녕하세요 Teen Top. 우리는 이쿨입니다.
저는 애기입니다.
저는 모니카예요. This group called eCool is dedicated especially to you Teen Top.
We guys met up in 2013 all thanks to Teen Top.
And not only that, we have danced for all your songs from 2010 till pressing 2015.
Cheering us up. We take this time to thank you so much.
Bye.
Hello Teen Top, this is Kunzef and I'm a really big fan of yours. I'm so excited that you've chosen India and you're coming here for a concert because we really don't have a lot of bands which come to India. They think that there aren't many fans, but actually there are thousands of fans are waiting for you here. So we're all really excited and I hope you guys also enjoy performing and we love you. Saranghayo.
Hi, hello and namaste Teen Top. This is your Teen Top angel Aggie. We welcome you to our incredible India. We really hope you can have a great time in India and you can take back all good memories from here. We love you so much. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you.
Trisha and I'm from India.
Hello Teen Top, my name is Mercy and I am an Indian angel and I have been an Indian angel for 4 years now. Just amazing. You guys, all of you are so hardworking and love you all the best for your future. Saranghe. I love you guys and Neil, you are my favorite from the entire group. I really want to thank you guys for being together for these past 5 years and bringing amazing music to fans all around the world. Keep doing what you do.
Namaste, I am Anjali from India and I'm so excited that you guys are finally gonna come here. I've been following Teen Top since Clap came out, so we've practically grown up together. I'll be at the concert, so I really hope you guys can remember me. When you come here, I want you to visit Taj Mahal and eat tandoori chicken. Hopefully with me. Super love for you guys. I'll see you at the concert and at the fan side. So stay cool. Neil, Diljo, I really like you. Bye.
안녕하세요. 저는 루치입니다. I love Teen Top very much. I got to know Teen Top in early 2012 through my school newspaper. My love for Teen Top also made me bought this, my Natural Born Teen Top album. I love to get a sign on by you all guys when you come here in India. I love you, I love you, and I love you so hard. Yeah,
this is Chandrika and I've been a fan of Teen Top since Clap came out. Clap was the first K-pop MV that I watched and I'm so glad that you're having a concert in India. Thank you so much for coming here. I'll see you at the concert. Neat, sarange.
Annyeonghaseyo, we are angels from Manipur, India. Well, there are many angels and K-pop fans in our state, so we would like you to perform here. And we're sure you'd love that. It will be a dream come true for all the fans out here. 사랑해요, 틴톡. 감사합니다.
Cap, you're being a really awesome captain and you're doing a very good job. Chanjing, we hope you keep singing and we hope you get to do your solo debut soon. Eljo, we hope you write more songs. We love the songs that you made.
Neil, we really love your videos. Day by day, you're getting really handsome and we are so happy to see you this way. Cute baby Ricky, we really like this cute side of yours. Shamjo, we would really love to thank you because you are the ones who make the dance moves for us to really want to move.
Cap Oppa, thank you so much for coming. We're so excited to check out your tattoos. And Chanjin Oppa, thank you so much for coming. We were so excited to see you, especially sing and go to those high pitches. And especially we hope that you're chubby enough because we like you being chubby. And Eljo Oppa, we really want to see you do an incredible rapping on stage, and we hope that you would even show us some of your acting skills. And then Neil Oppa, we were so excited to know if you will be doing your solo songs on stage. It was a really good effort by you. We are totally looking forward to it. And Ricky, oh my god, there is no saying you're the best dancer ever. You know, you can dance so well. I sometimes wonder from where you get so much of energy to dance. I wish I could dance like you. And Changjo, I really know that you're going to rock the stage, and we hope that you guys will enjoy with us angels.
Your music has definitely brought so much joy and inspiration to my life and brought me out of times when I felt so low.
Aggie and Monica, we both live so far away, but all thanks to you guys, we get to meet up all the time to watch your videos, do the covers. Though you guys live far away from us, we feel that you're so close to our heart and you're in here.
It's our dream to come back to TOP Media and work for you guys. We would really love to dance with you guys sometimes.
They also have been inspiration for me since then because they inspired me to do hard work and plus also not give up on anything because I love them very much. There is not a single day when I don't listen to your songs. Tinta, I would like to thank you for being a very important part of my life.
There was a time, you know, when I used to feel so lonely and lost, and I used to wonder, am I really good at anything? And then I see you guys, you know, on stage, dancing, singing and feeling your soul. That really changed my way of thinking. Then I really understood that this is what even I want to do with my life. I want to make someone else happy with what I do.